As some of you might know, I've been in the industry for about 20 years now. I studied a BA in fashion women's wear and then went on to work in numerous fashion houses, including a little stint in Givenchy in Paris. I was really lucky to get an apprenticeship with an amazing leather craftsman in London. After I completed my 5 years with Paul, I actually launched my own handbag brand and sold internationally around the globe and had a Japanese agent. When I first started out, I found it really quite overwhelming because there was so much that I needed to find out about. Big questions: who am I selling to? Who's my target audience? What's my USP? How do I design a collection? Where do I source materials? What are my startup costs? What equipment am I going to need to start? How do I price my products? And where am I even going to sell them? How do I create social media account? How do I make a website? Should I sell to shops? Should I sell directly to my customers? Should I pay for advertising? So the one reason that you take this big leap to start your own fashion brand is ultimately because you're trying to do something that you absolutely love, but that also is going to make you money. Some people selling handmade products can really struggle with trying to find the right product and get the right margins to make it a viable business. This is where we're going to create a beautiful collection that has products that are both commercially viable but also really creatively fulfilling. Having now taught hundreds, if not thousands of people how to create beautiful handbags with their technical skills and also help them launch their brands, I now want to package up all of my expertise and create this business in a box program so that I can help support as many people around the world as possible launch their own fashion brand. Our Business in a Box program is a 3-month program and it's broken down into weekly, pre-recorded and live lessons, so they're really easy to digest. You can go back over them in your own time. The lessons are going to be a mixture of theory work and also some practical work, so I will be getting you to do homework that will be submitted each week, and of course we've got a couple of extra freebie gifts that will be post and packaging straight to your door. At the end of the 3-month program, we also have an add-on service that if you'd like us to create your actual samples for you for your capsule collection, we can make that, or you can come and do one-to-one with me and we'll have 10 days together to create your capsule collection so your whole brand is ready to launch. So the course is $999. We've got 10 places and I've already got 2 people signed up. So as quick as you can decide, do let me know, because as soon as I've got my 10, we're going to be closing the book. I've attached some details to this email about all the different chapters that we've got for this program. But if anyone would like, I'd be really happy to give you a call and we could go through it in detail and you could ask me as many questions as you want. I've got a little link down there to the calendy, so book on, give us a call, and I'd love to go through it with you. But for now, thank you so much for looking at the video and I really hope to speak to you soon.